Welcome to this 𝗻𝗡𝗄 tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to use Teams in Canva. It's a great way to collaborate, stay organized, and streamline your design process. I'll walk you through how to set up your team, create shared folders, design together in real time, and use comments to give feedback. First, let's set up your team. From your Canva home screen, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Here, you will find a button called Create Team. You will want to select it. Canva Teams is a premium feature with an annual price per user, but it's a worthwhile investment for groups that collaborate regularly. You can name your team, upload a logo, and start inviting members. Canva will prompt you to invite people either by sharing a link or by their email. Once your teammates accept your invitation, they'll automatically appear in your team list, ready to start creating together. Next, let's organize our projects with a shared folder. You can start on the home screen again and click in the left-hand sidebar, Projects. Once you open this up, you'll see many different options, but for the folders, you will want to go to the plus sign on the right-hand side. There are different suggestions for projects here, including New Folder, New Course, Design, and other uploads. You will want to click New Folder. Give the folder a relevant name, for example, 𝗻𝗡𝗄, so everyone knows what it is for. There are many different ways to share the folder with your teammate. You can either do it in the original prompt, or press Continue, open up the folder, and find the Share button at the top of the screen. In this box, you can type in your teammate's name directly, click on it, and then share the folder. Either way, everyone added to your team will have access to the folder and anything you place inside of it. Now let's start designing together. You can click back to your projects, go to the plus sign, and this time press Design. You can either start from scratch or choose from one of Canva's many professional templates. In this example, I'm selecting a template to get started quickly. Once your design opens, you can go to the plus button right next to your own profile icon. Here, you'll see the option to type in your team's name or select from a list of suggested collaborators. If you're not working with an active team yet, you can still copy link to share your design manually. Anyone with that link can access your design depending on the permissions you choose, such as edit, comment, or view only. This makes it easy to collaborate with colleagues, even if they're not already part of your Canva team. Now let's take a look at how to use comments for feedback and collaboration. To start, you want to select an element in your design, click the three dots above it, and then choose Comment. In the comment box, you will want to type something such as "Change title please," and then click Insert Comment. You'll notice the comment immediately appears on the right-hand side, but it is also marked directly within the design, so it's easy to see where the feedback applies. Another way to easily see the comments is by clicking the button in the top right corner of your screen next to the Share button. Next, let's look at how to assign a comment to a specific person. You want to just select an element again, click the three dots, comment, and then type @ followed by their name in the box. Normally, a list of your teammates would appear at the bottom. You can go ahead and just select their name and then type the message you want them to receive. Lastly, click Assign. If a comment is assigned to you, it will appear under Assigned to You in the right panel. And if it's assigned to someone else, you'll see it listed under Assigned to Others. This feature keeps feedback organized and makes it clear who's responsible for what, which is especially helpful for team projects. And that's it. You've just learned how to collaborate in Canva using Teams. We covered how to set up your team, create shared folders, design together in real time, and use comments to share feedback and assign tasks. These tools make it easy to stay organized, communicate clearly, and create professional designs as a team, all in one place. Thank you for watching this 𝗻𝗡𝗄 tutorial.